How to replace the lower control arm. Remove the two nuts and bolt and separate it from the ball joint. Remove the rear bolt. Remove the front two bolts. Now remove the lower control arm. Transfer any hardware. Reinstall the control arm by first lining up the rear bolt and install the nut. Next, line up the front two bolts. Start the bolt by hand to prevent cross-threading. Tighten rear bolt. Tighten the front two bolts. Install the ball joint to the control arm by installing the two nuts and bolt and tighten it.